Welcome back to another video. Today we are making air fryer nachos. I know everybody loves nachos. We usually put them in the microwave or the oven. The oven takes too long. The microwave makes them soggy, especially if you put beans or meat that has any sort of moisture. So today we're gonna be doing nachos in the air fryer, 10 minutes or less. Super, super easy. Comes out nice and crisp. So for my air fryer bottom piece, step one, you want to just take a nice piece of parchment paper, rip it long enough, and then put that in there to kind of protect the outer edges. I've got some elk meat going on the stove right now. As soon as that's browned up, I'll go ahead and show you all the layers and exactly how to assemble it. So for the air fryer nachos, like I said, go ahead and put your piece of parchment paper down and do a nice thin little layer of whatever chips you choose to go on the bottom there. Then you can go ahead and start adding your layers lightly, cover it in cheese, and then we'll do another layer of chips. You can add as many layers as you want. You can go 6, 7, 8, 9 layers. There's only 2 of us in this household, so we'll just go ahead and do a 2 or 3 layer nachos. So let me get some of these layered up and then we'll check back in. The toppings I chose for today, we've got some sharp cheddar cheese, some ground elk that I put some taco seasoning in, just got done browning that, banana peppers, pepperoncinis, however you want to call it, some jalapenos, and then some freshly cut onions. Got a nice light layer of all the toppings, and then just go ahead and finish it off with whatever cheese you prefer. And then we will rinse and repeat. Oh, that's looking good. Awesome. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw another layer of chips right on top of that. So I went ahead and made it 3 layers, but there you have it. I forgot to mention we've got some fresh Hatch green chilies from Hatch, New Mexico that I peeled and sliced up and put in here as well. But 3-layer air fryer nachos with elk meat. And again, you can use whatever toppings you want. Just in case you're curious, I use the Gourmet air fryer from Costco. I believe it was about $39 when we purchased it. So we'll get it going here and we'll talk about temp and cook time in just a moment. All right, go ahead and get that guy popped in. Go ahead and get that started. So we'll let that heat up. It's just going to go on the standard setting as soon as you press start. So that'll be up to 400. And we'll check in 1 or 2 times and we'll get an exact timing with heat and end time. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. Again, I'm only doing a 3-layer. But look how crispy that top is, those chips. So we're going to go ahead and peel it out, put it on a cookie sheet, and then we'll give you the final reveal. Give Mr. Thor a little taste test. Finito, all finished. Right about 7 minutes. Again, it's only 3 layers. If you do 4 layers, 5 layers, 6 layers, it's probably going to have to be in the air fryer a little bit longer than that. But a little close-up, as you can see, nice and hot, super crispy on the top. Nothing is soggy whatsoever. So air fryer nachos, 2 thumbs up. Alrighty, let's check it out. Oh, Thor loves it. There you go, folks. Thor approves. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.